to Frontend Insight. In this video, we will learn how to count occurrences of each character in a string using JavaScript. Okay, so understanding character frequency is a common task in coding interviews and text analysis. I will break this problem down step by step. So let's get started. Okay, so let's understand what is the task first. Okay, so we need to write a JavaScript function that takes a string as an input and tell us how many times each character appears in the string. So let me give you the example. Okay, so example if I give is if the string is hello, okay, if the input is hello, okay, our string is hello, the output should be like, so H is one time only, E is two time, then L is E is also one time, L is two times, and O is one time. Okay, if the string is hello, the expected output would be H is one time, E is one time, then L is two times, and O is one time. So we will use an object to store the characters as keys and their counts as values. Okay, so let's dive into the code. We will define a function called count characters and that accept the parameter string. Okay, so let me write count characters. Okay, and we will have then parameter string. Okay, so inside the function we create an empty object char count. Okay, so let me char count. Okay, and sorry, it must be empty object. Okay, so this will store each character as a key. Okay, so this will store each character as key and its count as the value. Okay, so let me write here. We initialize empty object to store character counts. Okay, so now next we will loop through each character. Okay, we will loop through each character. So okay, so we use a for of loop to iterate through each character in the string. Okay, so let me write for let char of string. Okay, so to handle the case sensitivity, okay, so what if there are some letters are capital and some letters are capital and some are small case. Okay, so for handling this, to handle the case insensitivity, okay, so we convert each character to lowercase. Okay, so first we'll do the char dot to lowercase, the inbuilt method we will use. So it convert characters to lowercase for case insensitivity. Case insensitivity. Okay, so now inside the loop we will check if the character already exists as a key in char count. Okay, so if it exists, increment its value by 1. If doesn't exist, add the character as a key with an initial value. Okay, so let me write if char count of char. Okay, so char count of char plus if it already exists. Okay, so let me write here to understand. So if character exists, increment is count. Okay, and in else case, what we will do, char count of char should be 1. Okay, so if it's a new character. Okay, so if it's a new character, we initialize its count to we initialize its count to 1. Okay, so this will be understandable. Guys, please like the video. Okay, so if you like, it will circulate to the more people. Okay, so as I explained, I have written the code. Okay, so now once we finish the loop, we need to return the char count. Okay, so char count object. Okay, so which contains the counts of all character. Okay, so let me write return char count. Okay, so it return the final object with characters exist. Okay, so let me write it returns the final object with characters count. Okay, so let's test this function if it is working properly or not. Okay, so log count characters. Okay, so let me pass hello, and we're expecting the output here. Oh, I guess we already done it above, so we're expecting this output. Okay, so let me save it and run the program. Okay, so we got the expected output. The count of H is 1, the count of E is 1, count of L is 2, and count of O is 1. Okay, so let's test it with some other character. Okay, let me write the JavaScript. Save it and then run it again. Okay, so here J's count is 1, A's count is 2, V's count is 1, then A's count is 2, then V's count is 1, S count is 1, C's count is 1, R count is 1, I count is 1, P count is 1, and T count is 1. So we got the expected answer. Okay, so let me explain the code line by line. Okay, we first initialize the char count. Okay, then we loop, then the loop started. Okay, so we use for of loop. Okay, so in the first character we got the H. Okay, so first character we got the H, and H is not in the char count. H is not in the char count because the char count is empty object, not in the, so H is moved to the char count. Okay, it is added to the char count as char count as H1 because it's a one only. Okay, in the second iteration the character is E. In case of hello, the character is E, and E is not in the char count, so add it in. So it is added in the empty object. Okay, E1. Okay, so this operation will happen in this case. Okay, so in this case this happen. Okay, so in the third iteration, likewise we will get L as a one time. Okay, in the fourth iteration we got the L again, so it will be the value of the count of L is 2. In the fourth iteration we have fifth iteration we have the O, so the value of O is count of O is count of 0 is 1. Count of O is 1. Confusing between 0 and 1. 0 and O, sorry. So we got the expected output. Okay, so here is the complete code. So, and that's it, how you can count the occurrences of characters in a string using JavaScript. So we used a simple loop and an object to store and update the counts. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Okay, so drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestion for future topics. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Thank you.